Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning essential Hebrew sentences. These are sentences that you can use in everyday life. In addition to being useful, learning through sentences allows you to learn vocabulary, verbs, and sentence structure in an organic way, just like children do. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To ask, where is the entrance? Say, איפה הכניסה? איפה, where? הכניסה, the entrance. To ask, where is the exit? Say, איפה היציאה? איפה, where? היציאה, the exit. To ask, how much does it cost? Ask, כמה זה עולה? כמה, how much, זה, it, עולה, cost. To ask, where are the restrooms? Ask, איפה השירותים? איפה, where, השירותים, the restrooms. To ask, can I get help? Ask, אפשר לקבל עזרה? אפשר, is it possible? לקבל, to get. עזרה, help. To say, sorry, I don't understand. As a male, say, אני מצטער. אני לא מבין. אני, I, מצטער. Sorry, singular male. אני, I, לא, not, מבין. Understand, singular male. To say, sorry, I don't understand, as a female, say, אני מצטערת. אני לא מבינה. אני, I, מצטערת, sorry, singular female. אני, I, לא, not, מבינה, understand, singular female. To ask, do you speak English? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה מדבר אנגלית? אתה, you, singular male, מדבר, speak, singular male, אנגלית, English. And when speaking to a female, ask, את מדברת אנגלית? את, you, singular female, מדברת, speak, singular female, אנגלית, English. To ask, does this bus arrive at Tel Aviv? Ask, האוטובוס הזה מגיע לתל אביב? האוטובוס, the bus, הזה, this, מגיע, arrives, singular male, לתל אביב, to Tel Aviv. To ask, where is the train station? Ask, איפה תחנת הרכבת? איפה, where, תחנת, the station of, הרכבת, the train. To say, I'm hungry, where can I eat? As a male, ask, אני רעב. איפה אפשר לאכול? אני, I, רעב, hungry, singular male. איפה, where, אפשר, is it possible? לאכול, to eat. And as a female, ask, אני רעבה. איפה אפשר לאכול? To ask, how long does it take? Ask, כמה זמן זה לוקח? כמה, how much, זמן, time, זה, this or it, לוקח, takes, singular male. To ask, what time is it? Ask, מה השעה? מה, what, השעה, the hour. To say, I got lost. Say, הלכתי לאיבוד. הלכתי לאיבוד. To ask, where can I buy tickets? Ask, איפה אפשר לקנות כרטיסים? איפה, where, אפשר, it's possible, לקנות, to buy, כרטיסים, tickets. To ask, is it far from here? Ask, זה רחוק מכאן? זה, it, רחוק, far, מכאן, from here. To ask, where can I find free internet? Ask, איפה אפשר למצוא אינטרנט חינם? איפה, where, אפשר, it's possible, למצוא, to find, אינטרנט חינם, free. To ask, is there an available seat or space? Ask, יש מקום פנוי? יש, is there, מקום, a place or a space, פנוי, vacant or available? To ask, how do I get there? Ask, איך מגיעים לשם? איך, how, מגיעים, do you get, plural, לשם, to there. To ask, can I reserve a table? Ask, אפשר להזמין שולחן? אפשר, is it possible, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table. To ask, what are the opening hours? Ask, מה שעות הפתיחה? מה, what, שעות, the hours of, הפתיחה, the opening. To ask, do you have Wi-Fi? Ask, יש לכם Wi-Fi? יש, there is, לכם, to you, plural, Wi-Fi. To say, I want to pay. As a male, say, אני רוצה לשלם. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לשלם, to pay. And as a female, say, אני רוצה לשלם. To ask, where can I pay? Say, איפה אפשר לשלם? איפה, where, אפשר, it's possible, לשלם, to pay. To ask, where are the fitting rooms? Ask, איפה יש תאי מדידה? איפה, where, יש, there are, תאי מדידה, fitting rooms. To ask, can I try this on? Ask, אפשר למדוד את זה? אפשר, is it possible? למדוד, to try on. את זה, this. If you want to be polite, you can of course say, please. בבקשה. בבקשה. Or, excuse me, sorry. סליחה. סליחה. And you can always finish with thank you very much. תודה רבה. תודה רבה. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.